Hi, I'm Carrie Blazer, the Divine Feminine, Reincarnation of Mary Magdalene. Thank you for clicking on my clip. But I want to let you know that I have a free ebook linked below, my 6 Divine Feminine Self-Love Strategies. They will help you transform your emotional wounds into personal wisdom. And I take a multidisciplinary approach. I include the laws of physics, psychology, neuroscience, shamanism, mysticism. I went wild, okay? So men can understand and women can understand. There's something there for everyone, because what I learned is when something's true, it's true in multiple places. All right, please like and subscribe and help me distribute my ebook to everyone for free by exploding my channel. Take care. Enjoy the clip. Bye. So I said in the Reincarnation of Mary Magdalene, the second coming happened last September. During the second coming, I was shown that I'm deeply connected to there's 4 of us. There's me, Candace, Usha Vance, and Catherine, Princess of Wales. The 4 of us and the integrity that the 4 of us create is profound. So the fact that Candace is so in this with Zach, it's like, okay, well, love that sign of synchronicity. I mean, let's just point out that Erica Kirk lives in Scottsdale, Arizona, where I was born. I'm deeply connected to Charlie Kirk. I didn't bring that up earlier, but so after Charlie was assassinated, I realized, oh, we're from the same hometown. And the first day I sent an email about being the reincarnation of Mary Magdalene was July 16th. And that was the same day Charlie said, which surprised everybody, Mary is the solution to toxic femininity. I mean, that's my whole platform. But I know he was talking about Mary, mother of Jesus. My middle name is May. May in Catholicism is the month you honor Mary, the mother of Jesus. And Mary and Mary Magdalene were very close. They were both high priestesses. So another sign of synchronicity. I'm going to point out the first lie. She shows it in a minute, but Erica was not tagged in these posts. This 15-year-old said, did Erica just text me, hashtag no new friends, and then, oh my God, like OMG, and then all these like, emojis. And then there's another text, and then there's a picture of her slightly sticking her tongue out next to a boy. Is that appropriate? I mean, I have 3 grown kids. I would say that's not appropriate. The whole thing isn't appropriate. And we're going to find out in a minute that this young girl, Jillian, has a single mother who acts more like her friend because she hasn't grown up, childhood trauma, lack of emotional maturity. And so she doesn't draw healthy boundaries around her child. We're also going to see a sext exchange that Zach's going to talk about in a second, where there's sexual talk. Okay, so I'm just setting you up to see, like, look at this woman and the lengths she goes to say that, to stand up for Erica Kirk, as opposed to being a true friend and holding her accountable. Like, I understand you're 37 now, and you're 25, you're a grown ass woman at 25, responsible for your actions. And there's just no accountability. And it's a huge issue in Western culture. These women don't understand that we live in a holographic universe, that everything that we feel about ourselves is projected outside of our hearts, which is a vortex, so that we can see ourselves. And the View is a prime example of that problem. They call everybody else racist and sexist and misogynist, when in reality, they are just talking about themselves, but they lack awareness. They just lack awareness. We're souls having a human experience. This is how souls operate, the heart's a vortex that symbolizes holographic universe. The universe is a mirror. It's all the same thing. And she wants to talk about holding other people accountable. She's not accountable to her own truth, because what she's saying right now is not true. We will say it in a minute. There's no tag. She just writes her name. It's like there's zero accountability. But so when I see a woman like this with zero personal accountability, do I trust what she says? Is this woman a trustworthy person? I'm going to say no, but we're going to, see the pattern here. And this is what I look like. I look for patterns in people. Pattern recognition that's what intelligence is. So this is the pattern that I see. And if you disagree, please put comments below.